In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your AirPods. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. The first thing that you need to do is put your AirPods back into their charging case and then make sure that both AirPods are correctly placed in the charging case and then the lid is closed. And now press and hold the button on the back of the charging case for approximately 15 seconds. You will see the LED light on the charging case start flashing amber and then turn white. This means that your AirPods have been reset and are now ready to connect to your device. To connect your AirPods to your device, just open up the case, then just wait for a while until it comes up and then just hit add connect. Now press and hold button on the back of the charging case and that's it. I have just reset my AirPods and then I have connected it back to my iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.